These are some of the limited setups which I have used for contacting through the voice transponder of low Earth orbit satellites. They are a Moxon Yagi with a single feed line and kept at a fixed elevation and azimuth, CP22E VHF antenna and 40 plus 10 meter combination HF inverted V dipole antenna. What is not shown here is a homebrew VHF delta loop antenna. Here's a short video clip on that. You can see the delta loop antenna for VHF being turned manually by turning the PVC pipe on which it has been mounted. The aim is to orient the broad side of the antenna in the direction of the path of International Space Station. Before going into further details on my LEO satellite operations with limited setup, let us see what the best setup is for LEO satellites. Best would be to use a cross Yagi for VHF and UHF with circular polarization. Why circular polarization? Satellite spins and tumbles in space so that orientation of its antenna with respect to the ground station changes continuously. To avoid cross polarization between the antennas, circular polarization would be best. In addition, we will need diplexer to combine the signals from VHF and UHF cross Yagi antennas. Azimuth elevation rotator controlled by a computer software like gpredict. Full duplex highly sensitive satellite specific radio with Doppler tracking like IC9700. But all these are beyond the reach of an average LEO satellite operator in this region, and I do not have any of these. Yet the simplest setup for LEO satellites would be VHF and UHF tape measure Yagi on the same boom, two dual band handheld radios, one for TX and the other for RX, cell phone displaying a satellite tracking app mounted on the boom to facilitate pointing the antenna along the satellite path in both azimuth and elevation. Once I did try building a tape measure Yagi